Can you solve this AP calculus problem? Let me know the answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so what we have here is we have a function and we need to find f prime of 2. So in order to do this, we need to find, the first thing is we need to find the derivative of this whole function. Okay, so let's start with the first part, x minus 1 to the power of 3 by 2. So I'm going to use the power rule and the chain rule here. Okay, rule. So so what we are going to do here is to take the derivative. So derivative of x minus 1 to the 3 by 2 to the power of 3 by 2. So when we take that, this exponent is going to come to the front and then it's going to get subtracted. So that's going to be 3 by 2 x minus 1 and then 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, and then we are going to multiply that with the derivative of the inner function, which is x minus 1. Okay, all right, so let's see what that is. That is going to be, let's clean this up a little, 3 by 2 to x minus 1. Now 3 by the power 3 by 2 minus 1 is going to be 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 2. And the derivative of the inner function, now the derivative of negative 1 is going to be 0 and the derivative of x is going to be 1. So let's just multiply that with 1, which is simply itself. Okay, so that's the first part. So let's take the derivative of the second part. So step 2 is derivative of e to the power of x minus 2 divided by 2. So when we take the derivative of that, so what we are going to do here is d over dx of, so let's bring the half, the constant out, e to the power of x minus 2. So take the derivative of that. So first thing we're going to do is bring the exponent to the actually the derivative of e to the power of x minus 2 is simply going to be e to the power of x minus 2. Okay, because derivative of e to the power of x is e to the power of x. So this is going to be e to the power of x minus 2 and then take the derivative of the inner function, which is the x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. So that is again, like before, is going to be just 1. So this derivative of this is e to the power of x minus 2. Now let's find the total derivative. F prime of x is going to be, we have 3 by 2 x minus 1 to the power of half plus e to the power of x minus 2. Okay, 1/2. So we had 1/2. Now we need to find the derivative at 2. So let's substitute the value of x as 2. So that will give us 3 by 2, 2 minus 1 to the power of half plus e to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So let's clean this up. That's 1. 1 square root of 1 is going to be 1. This is 3 by 2 plus e to the power of 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. So that's 1. So it's 1/2. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is going to be 4 by 2, which is 2. Final answer. Okay, so that is going to be choice C. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk next week. Have a nice day. Bye.